Hey, hey, hey! It's the second job of the day! Well, this is a diagnosis, actually. It's a crank no start on a 2017 Nissan Maxima. So let's check it out. All right, first thing, let's go ahead and try to start this sucker. Oh, wow. Literally nothing. No balls. All right, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and test this battery. Luckily, I have a battery and alternator tester here. So we just got to get it started to test the alternator, but let's go ahead and hook it up. So right now we're at a 40 amp boost. I'm going to go ahead and push it to a 200 amp engine start. All right, let's see if that helped us. Turn it on. Started right up. All right, let's go see if our battery or alternator is the problem. Guys, I bet it's the battery. Let's see. All right, guys, check this out. That is our battery display, and the percentages of it is, dang, stinking camera, 55. So it looks like we have a bad battery.